Hey guys, some of you know, some of you don't know that I suffer from CMC arthritis in both my hands, which really sucks because I can't screw things in or do anything like twisting my, pushing and twisting, which sucks because I'm trying to hang some stuff up and I'm using one of these little bastards. They get me every time. So what can handle it besides me is my dear friend. And my dear friend is going to help me hang up. I'm hanging up some, I don't know if you can see, some pots and pans in here because I don't want them to, I just got them. And so I marked on my cupboardy thing and I've got this in there, tighten it down to where the thing can kind of slip in and out. And it's so quick. It really is quick. So make sure you're going the right way. It looks weird when it happens, but it's really quick. So ready? And that's it. Hang on, I'll move it. Check it out. Oh, can you see it? Yay me!